Assalamualaikum 3 class, how are you all? Today we are going to learn about division. Do you know what is division? Division is equal sharing or equal grouping of numbers. Division क्या है? Equally share करना numbers को या फिर उसे equal groups में divide करना. For example, there we have 3 pencils and we divide them into 3 students. How we divide them? We divide them one by one. We give one pencil to all students. There we have 3 pencils and 3 students. So we divide each pencil to each student. We divide them into 3 equal groups. In this each group we have 1 pencil. So how many pencils each students get? 1. So our answer is 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. Now we see another example. There we have 12 flowers and we divide them into 2 equal groups. We give the name of groups group A and group B. In this, first we color flowers in A red color and B blue color flowers. So first this flower we have there. Secondly, this flower goes to group B. Color them. Now third flower goes to group A. Fourth flower goes to group B. Fifth flower goes to group A. Next flower goes to group B. Next flower goes to group A. And next flower goes to group B. Now this flower goes to group A. And this flower goes to group B. Now this flower goes to group A. And this one goes to group B. Okay, now we will count in each group how many flowers we have in each group. In group A we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 flowers. And in group B we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 flowers. We have in both groups 6 flowers. Group A we have 6 flowers in group A and 6 flowers in group B. So we divide 12 flowers into 2 groups equally. Now the 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. So our answer is 6. Right? 6. Okay students, now we will see the symbols which is used for division. Division symbols. There we have 4 division symbol which is used for division. This one, next horizontal line and backslash line. These 4 signs are used for division to divide the numbers. Okay, now we will learn about quotient, dividend, divisor, remainder. Dividend. The number to be divided is called dividend. जो नंबर डिवाइड करना है हमने इसे हम बोलते हैं डिवाइडेंड. डिवाइज़र. द नंबर विच डिवाइड्स इज़ कॉल्ड डिवाइज़र. जो नंबर डिवाइड कर रहा होता है इसे हम बोलते हैं डिवाइज़र. क्वोशंट. The result of the dividing a number is called the quotient. डिवाइड करने से हमारे पास जो रिज़ल्ट आता है उस रिज़ल्ट को हम बोलते हैं क्वोशंट. रिमाइंडर, इफ़ द नंबर इज़ नॉट फुली डिवाइडेड द रिमेनिंग नंबर इज़ कॉल्ड द रिमाइंडर. अगर हमारा नंबर जो है वो फुली डिवाइड नहीं होता है, अगर हमारे पास नंबर कोई लेफ़्ट रह जाता है, उस नंबर को हम बोलते हैं रिमाइंडर. Students, now we will solve these questions. First we have a 20 stars and we divide them into equally 5 groups. So let's start grouping. First we count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. We have a 20 stars and we divide them equally in 5 groups. To divide them we divide in 5 groups. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, Group 4 and Group 5. Now count the stars in each group. How many stars we have in each group? 1 2 3 4. In this group we have 4 stars. Next 1 2 3 4. In this group we have 4 stars. Next 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Now in each group we have equally stars. How many stars in each group? 4. So our answer is 4. When we divide 20 by 5, the answer is 4. Write 4. Next question, 8 divided by 4. There we have 8 rabbits and we divide them equally in 4 groups. To divide them in 4 groups, we divide them to 1 2 3 and 4. Now we divide these rabbits in 4 groups. Now we will count how many rabbits in each group. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Now in each group we have 2 rabbits. So our answer is 2. When we divide 8 by 4, our answer is 2. Next we have 16 glass and we divide them into 4 groups. To divide them into 4 groups, divide these glasses in 4 groups. To grouping 4 groups, we divide them first 4 glasses in each group. Okay. Now we have 4 groups. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3 and Group 4. In this, now we will count how many glasses in each group we have. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. In each group we have 4 glasses. So our answer is 4. When we divide 16 in 4 groups, our answer is 4. Next we have 12 divided by 3. We have 12 balls and we divide them in equally 3 groups. To divide them in 3 groups, we will do grouping like that. One group, this is our second group and this is our third group. Now we will count how many balls we have in each group. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in each group we have 4 balls. So our answer is 4. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Okay students, now we will do dividing 2 digit by 1 digit numbers. In this first question is 42 divided by 6. We read the table of 6 to get the answer 42. So 6 sevens are 42. Now we will subtract 42 by 42. 2 minus 2, 42 minus 42 is equal to 0. Now we do another question. In this we have 16 divided by 2. 16 को हमने 2 पे डिवाइड करना है. In this we read the table of 2 to get the answer 16. So 2 8s are 16. Now we will subtract 16 minus 16. 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. So our answer is 8. Okay students, now you will solve these remaining parts on your neat notebook. Our next question is 25 divided by 5, 36 divided by 4, 27 divided by 9, 48 divided by 6, 14 divided by 7, 40 divided by 8, 32 divided by 8, 64 divided by 8, 54 divided by 9. Okay students, solve this question on your notebook. Have a nice day.